Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about kinase, phosphorylase and phosphatase enzymes. This kinase is an enzyme that transfer phosphate group from high energy phosphate donating molecule, for example ATP, to a specific substrate. So they cause phosphorylation. These enzymes transfer phosphate group from high energy phosphate donating molecule, for example ATP, to a specific substrate. As they transfer phosphate group, they belong to the group of enzyme transferases. And enzyme commission number 2. This phosphorylase also transfer phosphate group. So they also belong to transferases and enzyme commission number is 2. The main difference between kinases and phosphorylase is that kinase transfer organic phosphate from ATP, transfer organic phosphate, but phosphorylase transfer inorganic phosphate. That is the main difference between kinase and phosphorylase. Both transfer phosphate group, but kinase transfer organic phosphate, and in the case of phosphorylase it transfer inorganic phosphate. Then phosphatases are enzymes. It is a type of hydrolase. Hydrolase. That means it catalyzes the hydrolysis of the substrate, and here it removes phosphate group from the compound. Removes phosphate group. So as it is a hydrolase, the enzyme commission number is 3. These kinases and phosphatases, these two enzymes are involved in the regulation of activity of proteins. In the regulation of activity of proteins. The main function of kinase is addition of phosphate group. So addition of phosphate group to a protein by these kinases will activate the protein. Addition of phosphate group will activate the protein. But removal of phosphate group from the protein by this phosphatases will deactivate the protein. Removal of phosphate group, that is the function of phosphatase. So removal of phosphate group from protein by this phosphatase enzyme will deactivate the protein. Both kinase and phosphatases that are involved in the regulation of activity of proteins. So coming to kinases, they cause phosphorylation. Phosphorylase also catalyzes phosphorylation, but phosphatase catalyzes dephosphorylation. Dephosphorylation. This kinase enzyme, these belong to the category of transferases or phosphotransferases. Phosphotransferases. Phosphorylase also belongs to the category of phosphotransferases. This phosphatase belongs to hydrolase. Then kinases require ATP. Phosphorylase do not require ATP, and this phosphatase uses water molecule. That is the difference. Then examples of kinases include hexokinase, phosphofructokinase, pyruvate kinase, etc. These are the examples of kinase enzymes. Hexokinase, phosphofructokinase, pyruvate kinase. Here glycogen phosphorylase. Glycogen phosphorylase. Phosphatase are fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase, then nucleotidase. These are the examples of phosphatases. So these are kinase, phosphorylase and phosphatase enzymes. So, this is about today's topic. Thank you for watching.